Hey there. Today we're going to compare the process for real-time collaboration on documents between Nuance Power PDF and Adobe Acrobat DC. With a document that we want to collaborate on open in Adobe Acrobat, we'll click on it and then go over to the Send for Comments button. We have a few different things that we can do here. We can either send for comments by email or send for shared commenting. I'll click on shared commenting. To make this feature work, we'll have to have both computers have access to the same network drive, a web folder, or SharePoint server. We'll click on Network Drive here. Just pick some options, give it a name, and then verify your information that'll be sent out to the reviewers. Next, just type in the email addresses of those you want to share with, and that's it. Now let's take a look at the real-time collaboration features of Nuance Power PDF. With both computers we want to collaborate on the same local area network, we'll go to the Comment tab and then click on Start Collaboration. And here we can select the other users on our local network. In this example, we're going to set an access code to secure this. So we'll just type the access code in on the first computer that we're using to share, and we'll get a prompt on the second. Click OK, then just type in the access code to enter real-time collaboration. Now you'll see that any changes made on either side reflect immediately on each computer on the local area network. Here, you can also see that we can make changes to the document in any way we want. By adding comments and text boxes, we can collaborate in real time with your colleagues, all on the same local area network. Any changes you make are immediately reflected on the other computer, making it simple as ever to collaborate with your peers.